Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to log into Coinbase Pro App using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Coinbase Pro application from your app drawer and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the sign in button at the bottom of the page in order to end up in the sign in area. Start by typing in your email and then head over to the password field to type in your password. After you're done typing in your password, you can tap on the sign in button to move forward. But if you've forgotten your password during the process, simply tap on Forgot Your Password link right beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions. Once you tap on sign in after entering your credentials, you'll need to go ahead and go through the process of two-step verification. Simply type in the verification code that has been sent in your mobile number, copy the code and paste it in the verification code box. Tap on confirm. Now you'll receive an email with device confirmation link. Go and open up your email and you'll be able to find an email waiting for you in the inbox from Coinbase Pro. Simply go ahead and scroll a bit down. Tap on I authorize this computer or device. As soon as you're done, you'll be logged into your Coinbase Pro application. If you'd like to enable your Face ID to unlock Coinbase Pro so that you can protect your account with an additional layer of security, tap on the Enable button. Enter a new passcode for your Coinbase Pro application. Confirm your new passcode by typing it again. Wait for a few seconds and there you have enabled your Face ID and PIN so that you can protect your account and you can go back now to the main homepage. That is how you'll be able to log into Coinbase Pro app on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.